Hello everyone, welcome to my Facebook course Earn Money from Facebook Pages. This is our last lecture. Today we will cover how to create and sell monetized pages on Facebook page online. How you can complete monetize your page and you can sell and earn more money. If you want to buy some monetized page, also you can buy. So how you can complete this? You need to search on Facebook buy sell pages. Go here, these groups, Facebook Marketplace, buy and sell. You can check this group also and click see more. These are many groups, buy and sell anything, buy and sell pages. I want to buy and sell pages. So here you can check. We need Facebook pages, buy and sell. Facebook page. Facebook pages add this type of group, Facebook monetization page, YouTube channel, and other groups also you can check here, selling pages and many marketplace available on Facebook. Facebook marketing plus app, Instagram buy sell account, Facebook marketplace app. So check here, this is the private group. I think if once you need to join this group and after join you can buy and sell your Facebook page. If you want to buy monetize Facebook page, also you can join this group and you can take benefit from here. So these are all private groups. I don't like to join because I don't want to this work. So this is the first way you can find marketplace to sell your monetized page, or if you want to buy Facebook pages, also you can check here, free Facebook promotion and many of marketplace you can find. I have 2 or 3 group and they daily promote good pages. So you can check here, these people are selling his Facebook page and you can check here also, this also sell his page and this also say, these all marketplace and these people are selling his pages and they also buy your page. This is the first way you can buy and sell your Facebook page. What is the benefit? In my calculation, if you complete a Facebook page criteria, 10,000 follower and 6 lakh minute, you need to invest minimum $100 to $150 to complete these 2 criteria. Okay, if you want to complete these criteria from legal ways, original likes and watch time you can get from groups. So you need to invest $100 to $150 to complete criteria. Okay, now I will teach you how you can understand. $150 investment to monetize your pages. Okay, to complete 2 criteria. What one criteria is 10k follower, and second criteria is 6 lakh views. Two criteria, if you complete these two criteria, you need to invest $150 for each page to complete these criteria and apply for monetization. Once you complete this criteria in $150, if you want to work on your page, then you can earn lot of money if you want to work. If you don't want to work on your monetized Facebook page, then you can sell your monetized each monetized page in $500 to $800. This is the market price. Investment only $150 to complete two criteria, 10k follower and 6 lakh views. Once you complete these two criteria with your page in $150, then if you want to sell your page, you can earn $500 to $800 with each page. And for these two criteria, complete two criteria, you need to invest time minimum 1 week. 1 week is enough. 7 days to 10 days you can monetize one page. If you monetize 3 pages in the month, listen me, if you monetize 3 pages in the month, then if you sell each page in $500, you will earn $1,500 in a month. This is your monthly earning only in buy and sell page. This is your monthly earning. If you sell minimum price $500, if you sell maximum price $800 to $1,000, then you will earn much more. So this is the market rate. I am watch many of people selling that pages in this rate. I am not selling because I also can monetize my page in $150. Why I want to sell? I am not interested in business, but this business is also very profitable business. If people don't want to create content, if people don't want to work on their Facebook pages, then they can apply on this method and they will earn $1,500 in the month. Minimum you can earn. And if you sell your page in $1,000 monetized page, if your page is monetized, then rate automatic will be increased. If your page is not monetized, then you cannot get any much more money on Facebook marketplace, because people don't want to buy non-monetized pages. People want to monetized pages to buy and work and earn money. So if you want to this work, you can also try. This is your only small investment. What method I was teach in my previous lesson. You can add run without any target people, and cheap countries. I also suggest you which country likes are very cheapest. So you can run your ad to complete 10k follower. Once you complete your 10k follower, now you need to upload 5 to 10 video in your page. Once you upload 5 to 10 video in your page, now you need to promote your videos in the groups. You can self promote with 10 Facebook ID. If you don't have a time, if you don't have a groups or many IDs, then you can use Rapid Worker. Last lecture I have teach rapid worker website, you can promote your Facebook pages. So this is the best way. I think you can complete in $150 only investment to complete your monetization. These two criteria. Once you complete these criteria, if you want to work on your page, then must work and earn money from Facebook. If you don't want to wait to earn money from Facebook, then you can use these two criteria. This is the first method. You can find the marketplace on Facebook. Number 2, go to Google and write here buy sell Facebook page. Here is tons of website you can find here. These all of viral accounts and fan pages .organization. These website also you can use. These are biggest marketplace. Here also you can sell your page and also you can buy page. If you want to buy page, complete page, then you can buy from here. Facebook profile, Facebook fans, 10K fans. This is the good thing. And you can calculate the rate here, and you can buy or sell your pages from these website. Viralaccounts.com, also you can use this website, and if you want to sell, you can use I want to sell my fan page. So you can get idea from pages what is the price of Facebook pages. If I click on buy Facebook page, so you can start buying here. Number 3 website, this is the fan page cache. Also you can sell your page here, and if you want to buy viral accounts, also you can buy fan page from here. Buy fan page, sell fan page, Facebook page. So here you can also use if you want to sell, and if you want to buy, you can create account here, and you can buy any Facebook page from here. These are tons of website available on Google. So you can use this website and you can buy and sell your Facebook pages. You can take idea what is the rate of fan page, monetize Facebook fan page, and you can get idea, and you can sell your page if you want to sell. So if you want to monetize page, you can search here also monetize page. Many people are selling these all pages people are selling because they don't have a time to work on Facebook page. Only they run ad, complete criteria, and they sell page because they don't want to any tension, and they need safe money. Safe money means $1,500 each month. It is enough. If you like this business, you can doing this business, and if you want to work on your page, then you can work. I personally like I am doing work on my Facebook page because I have a team to create videos and upload on Facebook pages, and work for me because I give him salary to this work. So I can afford my work on my Facebook pages. If you have time, you can work on your Facebook page. If you can try 2 things, then you will work on one Facebook page, and other pages you can sell on marketplace. You can earn 2 things of money from here and from here. So this is my last method. You can create and sell Facebook monetized pages online on Facebook, also online on marketplace on Google. So I hope this course you will enjoy with this course, and you will learn lot of things in my course. And this is my second course. First I complete Google AdSense Black Hat course, and now this is my Facebook earning method course. And this is method, these all methods I am personally using, and this is my all secret and personal methods to work on Facebook and earn lot of money. You watch saw in my earnings of Facebook. If you are doing work regularly on Facebook, you can earn lot of money. If you don't have a time, you can buy and sell your Facebook pages. So thank you very much guys. Best of luck for your work. If you have any issue, then you can search on Google. Google is the best teacher. You can research and complete your work. What is you facing your problem, you can solve with Google. This is my personal opinion. If you work on Facebook pages, then you can earn lot of money. If you don't have a time, you can buy and sell Facebook page. This is the best business, and now this is the trending business in the world. So thank you very much, and bye bye.